first thing is keep your mouth shut. Try not to make statements about the case. Law enforcement, I think, feels that's the most opportune moment to get incriminating evidence against you, and your own words sink you faster than anything else. So call a good lawyer. Try to be cooperative and polite to law enforcement, but be quiet. Don't talk about the case. And hire somebody that you feel is going to represent you with passion and street smarts, and fight the case if you can. We're right in the heart of Center City. We're walking distance to the federal courthouse, walking distance to the state courthouse, and we do a lot of county work, we do a lot of Jersey work, jump in the car, jump on the high-speed line, so we can get to the courthouse fast, and most importantly, the clients can get to us. We focus primarily in the area of criminal defense. We've done just about every type of crime you can think of. Some of the more recent cases that were, press-worthy, I guess. We had a woman a couple years ago when the Phillies were in the World Series. She was charged with prostituting herself for World Series tickets. For some reason, it got international attention. She went to trial. She fought her case. She was found not guilty. We tried, or I personally tried this year, the case that was reported as a landmark case. It was the prosecution of a Monsignor and a Catholic priest with regard to sex abuse charges. My client was the defendant who was not convicted, and to the best of our knowledge, he's the only Catholic priest who's ever gone to trial and not been convicted. But we do cases that don't make the press. That's what we really do. We do DUIs, we do assaults, we do fraud cases. And because lots of our cases have recently been press-worthy, I think clients don't realize that we do DUIs and we do domestic abuse and we do assaults and drug charges. We do just about everything. So there's not a criminal case out there that we won't take. I decided when I was in my teens that I wanted to explore that field. I wanted to be a lawyer. And then once I was in law school and had some internships, I liked to fight. And it seemed to me that the best opportunity to fight was to be in a courtroom. I didn't want to be stuck in a cubicle. I didn't want to be writing briefs. I wanted to be in where the action was. And I hit the ground running. I worked for a firm for a year to the day, and then I hung my shingle out 26 years ago. And I've been fighting ever since, and I love it.